She's not human, okay?
If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you.
What's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is the first video. I think this is gonna be the first video of 2022. Like, oh my goodness, and she's hopping back in the hair. So today's video will be all about this wig. And y'all know I used to be a kitchen beautician. I used to stay on it. But we're just, you know, tiptoeing, getting our feet wet again. So can y'all tell? This baby right here, she's synthetic, but she looks good. Like, yeah, y'all, she's synthetic. She's not human, okay? Getting into the specs of this, I'm gonna show you as I semi-install it. But we have this very beautiful synthetic lace front unit, and I got this at my local beauty supply store. I'll put the specs in so you can look for it, search for it. If I don't do it for you, I put a link down for you in the description box because you can probably find this on Sam's Beauty because Sam's Beauty has literally everything. So if I can find it, I'm gonna link it down below. If not, you can probably find it at your local beauty supply store too. We have this beautiful ombre or dark rooted, like multi-dimensional unit, water wave. Like, are y'all seeing this color? That's what really got it for me, was the color. My one tiff is I wish they would just like stop the dark roots, or like, you know, keep going with the dark roots, but also give me an option that does not have the roots. Like, I just want the whole thing this color. I just want the whole thing this color because I just relaxed my hair, so I can't really color it anymore, and I really have been living for this like coppery auburn mix. And since I can't do it with my natural hair, I would really love to do it with wigs and weaves and such, and I don't want the dark roots. So synthetic wig companies, all of that, just give us some units that don't have the dark roots. Thank you so much. But getting back into this, that is definitely what got me. It is the dimension in the color as well. Like, you can see it has like some little slight highlights. I love that. I love the water wave curl pattern. I literally just took this out the bag. Like, I tried it on the other day, but I didn't like try it on. So today's my first time actually like putting on this unit. So I can't give you too much. You know, they say it can take heat. I'm gonna try to see what she looks like straightened. But right now, she's definitely giving me life. I love it so much. She's so pretty. I love the length, and I love how full it is. It's definitely giving me life. She does not look synthetic. Even when you get all up on her, she does not look synthetic because of that lace. And it's like you have a long part space, not wide, and then you have like lace from, and the lace does go ear to ear, but you have literally like maybe this much of actual like lace space. So I took some of the baby hairs and I cut some myself as well to just give me some little edges to make it look a little bit more human-like. But the fibers, they really have the fibers right with this one, so I am extremely happy with this unit. I did catch it on sale. The price of it is on the little info card that I'm going to show you as I'm installing this, but it was discounted, and again, I'm going to link it if I can find it on Sam's Beauty, which you can probably get it cheaper. But this unit is popping so far. I put some mousse on it to like re-zhuzh the water wave of it all, because fresh out the pack, this side really wasn't giving me the wave, it's giving me more of a curl. So I just took some mousse and scrunched it up, but you will see all of that in the tutorial portion of this video. So let me show you how I installed this unit, and I will see you guys at the end.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
All right, so for me, hopping back into these hair waters, dibbling and dabbling with synthetic units. If I didn't say this before, I probably should have said it, but my girl Nizzy Mac, if you're not already subscribed to her channel, you need to go subscribe, get yourself hip, follow her on Instagram. But when I say sis be pulling in TikTok, sis be getting them synthetic units together, and I was like, you know what? My sis got me wanting to try some things, so here I am trying some things. So thank you so much, Nizzy Mac, for inspiring me to try these synthetic units and finding a bomb one. Like, yes, this Janet collection is everything, honey. It's really the color for me. I just really cannot stop staring at it. I absolutely love it. So thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. If you've been riding with the kid, thank you so much. We're trying to do some new things. We're trying to do some more things. So I really appreciate it if you told a friend to tell a friend, and all y'all just came and had a Tan Banggotti ChiefTan watch party. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. Drop me some comments down below if there's some units you think I should try, you think I should see, some things I should do. Let me know, because I'm trying to get back into these hair waters, okay? And yeah, again, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another one of my videos, and I will see y'all in the next one. Stay true.